In this video, I'm going to be showing you our Forge series cases and Classic series cases reimagined in color. We have 5 different colors on offer. These are the carbon fiber twill weave cases, and I'll be showing you the Forge carbon variants in a second. These colors are absolutely unique and they're taken from our exclusive series offering. This is where we make unique one-of-one cases specific to your requirements, adding things like logos, graphics, and adding unique colors and styles to your specification, absolutely tailor-made. If you want to learn more about the case itself, I've left a link in the description below and you can watch a previous video where I've gone into more detail about some of the case's features. You may have noticed that all of these cases feature our signature brushed effect. This effect is actually hand applied and is achieved during the painting process. And as you can see, it enhances the color in the area in which it's applied. The brushed effect is specifically positioned so that it's visible whilst you're on the phone. Let's have a closer look at some of the colors. So here we have the blue carbon fiber. And then we have the green carbon fiber. Then we have red carbon fiber. We've got gold carbon fiber. We have the purple carbon fiber. Let's now look at some of the colored forged carbon fiber cases. This is the green forged carbon fiber. So this is red forged carbon fiber. This is my personal favorite. Absolutely stunning finish. This is another really popular one. The gold's actually got a hint of pearl in it, so you'll notice that it's really bright, and then at an angle you can see the forged carbon fiber underneath. We have the purple forged carbon fiber. Another really stunning color. It's a darker color, so it's still quite subtle, but when it catches the light, it looks absolutely phenomenal. Both carbon fiber weave and forged carbon fiber cases start life black. We then add color and finish the surface with a ceramic lacquer for an incredible gloss finish. Then the carbon fiber goes through our hand polishing process to enhance the finish. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of these exclusive colors that we've just released. If you did want to have a look at any one of the cases in more detail, I've left links in the description below. And of course, if you did want to get in contact with us, I've also left a link for our best contact information below in the description. If you're on Instagram, feel free to give us a follow. You can follow our journey, see what we're up to, and see our latest products on there. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.